All right, all right. I'm on the move, so we get the rookie video today. Um, okay, first things first, let's just take a quick look. We got GDP today, and we got initial jobless claims, and those two are going to be market movers. So keep your eye out. Come out at 8:30. Um, and then tomorrow we have personal income and personal spending. Personal spending dips back a little bit. That's a good sign, and that's a good sign. We want to see a wee bit of a slowdown in consumption, and that'll help the Feds get us into a soft landing. And today, after the close, as far as earnings go, we got Amazon and we got Apple, and those are going to be the market movers. And hopefully, we get a response like we did yesterday from the Fed. So, I mean, you could straddle those and close out your loser. But after the market, that's kind of rough. I don't know what sort of availability everybody has to executing market orders after the close. Um, so right now we're looking at the futures, and we got to jump up. You know I hate these gaps, man, because we always rush down to close the gaps. And right now we're up, I think about 50 points, 50 points. Um, Mine is from the open, but yeah, I think we're up about 50 points right now with the futures. I saw them up about 71 when I woke up in the middle of the night. So, I mean, the enthusiasm faded off a little bit. I'm just afraid we come back to close that gap. What does bother me is we got a strong bar down. Okay, not so strong bar down, reset, reset. What is that called, ladies and gentlemen? That is a flag. That is a bear flag. And if we break yesterday's low today, we're going to run further to the downside. If we close up like this and we break today's low tomorrow, then that's it, man. We're going to make that run to the downside. So that flag is kind of ugly, and having that gap there just makes me feel as though it's going to attract that flag. And I mean, we could pull up and leave that gap behind us, but it's not really how the market's been behaving. So we're gonna have to keep our eye on that. Let's just see how it translates on the S&P on the daily. I mean, even the S&P. Well, this isn't really as thorough a flag, but we're gonna close up here and build the flag. So anyway, watch that. I mean, I want to see the markets move back up, and that'll be great. And I like when everybody gets involved. I know a lot of retail traders are just very bullish, take bullish positions, and I like all that getting involved. More people listen to my channel too. So subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate your tolerance in my amateur video today. Although I guess on my best days I'm not that far off either. So subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I think I said that. Be calm, cool. I'm on the go, so that's why you're getting this poor quality video. Um, Good luck trading.